Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Samsung dryer and you're getting a TS error. So a TS error is, as you might expect, is a temperature sensor error. So that means that the temperature sensor is not working properly. It might be broken. The first thing that I would recommend you do if you get this is to try a hard reset on the machine, turn it off, cut power to it completely, leave it off power for a full minute, and then return power to it. Because if that doesn't work, then you're going to need to disconnect the dryer and check the temperature sensor with a voltmeter. And then, so if the resistance is more than 40,000 OHMS, you're going to need to replace it. Which probably means you're going to need to call out for service. So anyways, the first thing I would do is to just try to do a hard reset and see if that fixes it. And if not, you're probably going to need to call for service. Anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.